Hi everyone, today we're going to start a new series here. We are going to make a game using Swift SpriteKit. So let's begin creating the project. Okay, so let's start creating the project. Let's click here and create new project. Let's go for iOS and here go for game. Here we can give it a name. I'm gonna give the name Chroma Knight. I have Chroma Wizard also. You can check it out. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the screen, the links to my games. Let's use Swift here in SpriteKit. Click next. I have this one, but I want to delete it. Let's create a new project. Yes, so here we already see these two different types of files that we are not going to use. We can delete them, move to trash. The other things we're gonna keep them for now. Okay, so here in the app delegate we don't gonna change anything. Here in the game scene maybe we're going to change some things. Okay, so here we create the scene that's gonna start with our app. So let's create a new one. SpriteKit scene here. Let's use this menu scene. So with this you create this type of scene. I don't like using it. There is a way of using them, but we are not gonna use it in this project. Let's do this way. Let's delete this one. Let's create a new group. Scenes. So we can organize everything. Okay, so what I like doing here, let's create a class, new scene. We need to import SpriteKit. And we're going to get this one also. Touch has begun. And the update, of course. Okay, so we have these three functions. This one is going to execute after the scene loaded. This one when we touch the screen, and this one every second. It executes like 60 times, I don't know, maybe more. Okay, so let's start by creating here. We're gonna need a background. So let's create a bar background color, no, sprite node. Almost everything that we're gonna create to put in the screen is a SK sprite node. SK sprite node. We need some initializer, but we're gonna do that here. And we don't want any kind of parameter right now. Let's create these right here. Okay, just a background for now. Okay, let's try to do this initialization. We can go background, sprite node, image name. We don't have a background yet, but we can create one later. I'm gonna show you how I create my textures. And after doing this, we can go and say background .scale to, of course, this we need to receive a size, CG size. When you load a scene, you need to pass a size to it. So we're going to scale the background to the full size of the screen, of the scene. And Let's put the position to, we can do this in the middle of screen. Okay. I like to put the Z position to -1 so it is behind everything, and we can give it a name. I don't think we need a name right now, but I'm going to place it. We need for the touches later, but and we need to super dot init here with the size that we received, and we need this one also. It is required, so let's place it down. Okay, we can also do like this title label, scale label node, and here we can go title label equals sprite node label node, like Chroma Knight. We can change then the font name, font color, font size. I'm just gonna change the size to 64 and the color to .black. This is gonna be the title. We need to give it a position. Let's put in the CG point. X, we can go size of width ×2 to be the middle of screen. And this one, if we do like 1.5, I think it's gonna go up. Of course, we are not loading this yet, so we need to go to game view controller. Okay, I found out. We need to create a scene, like menu scene, size, and here we go, view.bounds.size. We don't need this, okay. And we don't need this. Let's just ignore this for now. We don't want FPS, we don't want anything. This is gonna be our menu scene. Whoops. And this doesn't exist. Dot scale mode equals dot aspect video. And now we can do this self dot view as scaview dot present scene menu scene. One thing that I made wrong, we need to add child background, add child title label. So we created the labels, but we didn't put on the screen, so now we have it. This X image means that we don't have yet an image for that file. And there we go. We have kind of a menu. Let's create now a button to change scenes, okay? For that, we are going to create a button. I like to create as a variables, so I can change them later if I want to. So the button, okay, play button, this is important. Let's give it a name, play button, and let's add child play button. Let's see. Okay, so we added the play button. It's right here, is this X. And here in the touches begun, we're going to detect the navigation. So let's go here and create for touches, that location equals touch.location. So you're gonna get the location that the touch was 8. Let touch node equals add point. This function, it's gonna give the node that is located at the point of the touch. And we can go with let name equals touch node.name, switch name. Now we can do a switch here, case play button. Here we can create, let's put a default here just so it doesn't give me errors. And here we can create a new scene. Let's create a game scene. We can do this. Self.size game scene dot scale mode or self.scale. After that, you can go with self.view dot present scene game scene. So it is going to change the scene to the new one. If I click anywhere else, it doesn't do anything, but if I click on the button, it goes here, creates the new scene and transition. So that is all for this video. We created a menu and we made initial transition to change between scenes. So next episode we're going to create a game scene with game logic, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave comments and suggestions and feedback on the comments section below, and thank you for watching.